If you are planning to study in Dehradun and looking for a private university with good academics, decent placements, and a beautiful campus environment, then IMS Unison University must have already popped up in your search. But is it really worth joining? How are the placements? Is it good for law, for MBA, for BBA, for journalism, for hospitality? In this video, I'll give you a complete, honest, all streams review of IMS Unison University so you can make a confident decision for your future. IMS Unison is a UGC recognized private university located in the lush green valley of Dehradun. The university is especially known for programs in law, management, BBA/MBA, mass communication, hospitality management, liberal arts, commerce and business, computer applications, BCA. The university highlights itself as a career-oriented, industry-integrated campus with practical learning. Now let's break down the most important parts. A. School of Management, BBA, MBA. Strong cloud quality, industry-linked curriculum, good for practical learning, internships and presentations. MBA specializations, marketing, HR, finance, IB, operations. Suitable for students looking for corporate skills, modern business education. Placement range 4 to 7, LPA average depending on profile. B. School of Law. One of the strongest schools of IUU. Highly active moot court culture, guest lectures from High Court judges. Strong focus on internships in Delhi, Chandigarh, Dehradun. Law programs BA LLB, BBA LLB, LLM. Why students like it? Vibrant legal exposure, active legal clubs. Placement decent for private university, depends on students' internships and skills. C. School of Mass Communication. One of the best private mass comm setups in Dehradun. TV studio, radio station, green screen rooms, films, news anchoring, reporting, digital media projects. Students actively create media content. Placement 3 to 6 lakh rupees per annum in media, PR, digital agencies. D. Hospitality and Hotel Management. On-campus training kitchens, restaurants, bakery labs. Focus on practical and internships. Placements in hotels, cruise lines, hospitality chains. E. BCA and Computer Applications. Updated curriculum. Basic labs. Not extremely high-tech like engineering colleges. Good for students who want IT exposure along with a peaceful campus. Placement depends on skills. IT service and startup roles available. F. Humanities and Commerce. BA/BCom programs with interactive learning. Good environment for students who want a peaceful, academic-focused atmosphere. IMS Unison falls in the mid to premium fee category for a private university. Approximate ranges may vary. BBA/BCA 2.5 to 3 lakh rupees per year. BA/LLB/BBA LLB 1.4 to 1.7 lakh rupees per year. MBA 5.5 to 7 lakh rupees total. Mass Communication 1.8 to 2.2 lakh rupees per year. Overall, fee-wise, IMS Unison is moderately expensive but not in the extremely high range like some premium private universities. Placements at IMS Unison are decent and improving. The university is not a top-tier placement engine but provides fair opportunities. General placement trend. Average package 4 to 6 lakh rupees per annum. Highest package 16 plus lakh rupees per annum varies by batch. Top recruiters Deloitte, HCL, Infosys, Byju's for sales roles, Jaro Education, Wipro. Top PR agencies, hospitality chains, media houses. Law placements depend heavily on internships, moot court achievements, and self-effort. Management and mass comm placements are consistent, but students aiming for top packages must build strong portfolios. This is where IMS Unison really shines. The campus offers green, peaceful environment, modern classrooms, computer labs, moot court hall, TV studio, cafeterias and food courts, multi-sport grounds, comfortable hostels, library with research resources. Student life is active with cultural fests, media festivals, law competitions, business case contests, clubs, and societies. In simple words, campus life here is safe, well disciplined, and student friendly. If you're confused between multiple colleges in Dehradun or India, Shiksha Search can help you choose the right one based on your budget, profile, and long term career goals. We also help with admission guidance and scholarships. So, should you join IMS Unison University? Choose IMS Unison if you want a peaceful, modern university environment. Good options in BBA, law, mass comm, hospitality. Decent placements with proper effort. A good student crowd. Practical industry exposure. Overall, IMS Unison is a solid choice for students who want a balanced mix of academics, campus life, and career opportunities.